I was at my dad's grave when I noticed a tiny keyhole hidden on the side of the tombstone, barely visible. It hit me, that weird key he'd left me years ago. I slid it in. Click, the base of the tombstone popped open. Right after that, a massive, super heavy door started sliding open on its own. I stepped inside and flipped on the lights. The place was a huge hidden room packed wall to wall, with all the antiques my dad had collected over the years. On the table were notebooks in his handwriting, and in the corner sat an old video recorder with a sticky note on it. I followed the note's instructions and hit play. That's when I found out the truth. Dad never actually died. He faked the whole thing to ditch everyone and go solo to some legendary island, chasing an ancient tomb that supposedly holds the secret to living forever. I needed to know if he was still alive, so I rented a fishing boat and headed straight for that island. We barely reached the outer waters when a monster storm rolled in. Waves were slamming the boat so hard it was about to break apart, so I grabbed my gear and jumped overboard. Next thing I knew, the ocean spat me out on the island's shore. I looked up and saw someone was standing on the cliff. It was my dad. The second he spotted me, he turned and started climbing higher. I scrambled up after him. He was living in a cold, dark cave. I called out to him. He acted like he didn't know me. Then I did the secret hand signal we used when I was a kid. That's when he finally accepted it was really me. I asked why he never came home. He told me a secret that could decide whether humanity survives.
If Vogel opens that tomb, Himiko's curse will be unleashed on the world.